Most working people complain about neck and shoulder stiffness. The reason is long working hours in front of computers. Today I will be showing you some of the stretches and flexibility exercises for neck and shoulders. If you take out few seconds from your busy schedules in regular intervals of 2 hours, this will help you to overcome the problem. So let's begin. We will start with shoulder rotation. Take your shoulders to your ears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Keep your spine straight and we will do half neck rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will do some neck stretches. So take a breath. Turn your neck to the right side and drop your left shoulder down and hold it for a few seconds. Take a breath. Come to the center. Breathe out and turn your neck to the left side and drop your right shoulder down. Take a breath and come to the center. Lift your chin up and stretch your chin towards the ceiling and hold it for a few seconds. Breathe in and center. Down. Try to tuck your chin to your chest. Drop both the shoulders down and hold it for a few seconds. Breathe in and center. Breathe in and right. Drop your left shoulder down. Breathe in and center. Left. Drop your right shoulder down. Center. Up. Center. Down. And center.